Hi guys, this is Maria, voiced by Janae Remdes from the Philippines, and animals that are voiced by me and Janae Remdes, and the dinosaurs still voiced by Janae Remdes. Mermaid short story starts now. I'll sleep now because it's too late.
Nugging on the go? No time to even comb your hair. Let's start. I know comb.
2 hours later.
Inside in the next step to coat each strand. Making your hair healthy and so easy to manage. Try fixing the comb into place. On the Facebook.
I think I should comb my hair.
Have a great young day. My photo touch the language first. Hindi yung purple ha. It's alright blue. It's called with purple.
Oh no! I fell down!
Dati pa ako nag-switch. Eh di sana.
The budget.
Sayang diba?
Wait, friend! I'll go to the CR, so I will take a bath. 6 minutes later. Roar! Where is that mermaid? Come out, wherever you are. I found you. Oh no! He found me! Oh no! Please don't hurt me, Sir Dinosaur. I should. I'll bring you to my cave. Ayaw, Saku. We will have part 2 in the cave. So please watch and wait.